जब हम छोटे थे हमने ABCD से स्टार्ट किया था, फिर जनरेशन आया, चेंजेस हुए, एंड नाउ स्टूडेंट्स आर लर्निंग phonetics, phonics, a, b, and so on. 1, 2, 3 has changed to computer buttons. Identify 1, 2, 3, 4. A number of things have changed, but I feel even now the efforts of teachers have not stopped. I want all of you to give a big round of applause to all these teachers. Very young teachers, taking small steps, going ahead and giving a new direction to education, that too for young, tender minds. You must have heard the story of the tortoise and the rabbit. कछुए और खरगोश की कहानी सुनी है? You know what it is? What is the moral? What is the moral? What lesson did you learn? जो सोया वो खोया. And in English, slow and steady wins the race. We cannot follow it now. अब हम ये follow नहीं कर सकते. स्टोरी सही है, स्टोरी सही है, लेकिन इसका लेसन, इसका मॉरल चेंज करो. Be focused and determined, you will reach your goal. Be focused and determined, reach your goal. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, कैसे चाहिए, तरीका क्या है, what is the way, and put efforts and you will reach the goal. A very young school, I thank Tareem ma'am and Riha ma'am and all the other teachers, most of my students, for calling us here. Nervous they were because we are too old to be in comparison to them. They have their new methods, new technology, which the time needs. And alhamdulillah, whatever they are teaching with Islamic principles. Alhamdulillah. बच्चों को दीन दुनिया साथ. Start with everything from the Quran to the technology, computers, coding, work experience. That is really necessary. कुछ काम लड़कियों और लड़कों में बांटा जाता है. Why? What is the need? Boys have to go away. They have to learn everything which is necessary for household. Isn't it? लड़के भी पढ़ने जाते हैं, बेंगलुरु जाते हैं, अलग रूम रहते हैं वहाँ पे. You have to teach them to fold their clothes, teach them to be neat and tidy. खाना पकाना सिखाना ही है. And that is the time, this is the time, these young minds you have to train them. Training बचपन से होनी चाहिए. माँ का रोल भी बहुत बड़ा है इसमें. यहाँ आते हैं 4 साल, तब तक तो उनके जहनों में बस चुका होता है, हम लड़कियां हैं, हम लड़के हैं, हमें ये करना है, वो करना है. Definitely we have our limits, but this work experience is what I appreciate that is taught in this school. A big hand to this also. One more thing, I'll just put a story of two gardeners. They had two gardens. One gardener was very careful. एक गार्डनर जो था, एक माली जो था, बहुत केयरफुल था. झाड़ों में पानी देना, उनको पौधों को सींचना, वो कीड़े हैं तो पत्ते काटना, फर्टिलाइजर डालना, ये सब कुछ. दूसरा माली है, he kept an eye on everything. देखता था कैसे पौधा बढ़ रहा है and everything. But he was not that particular. बहुत ज़्यादा particular नहीं था. एक रात अचानक एक तूफान आया. जब तूफान आया तो डेफिनेटली सारे पौधे तो छोटे यंग होते हैं, उनकी हालत खराब हो गई. सुबह दोनों उठ के देखे, जिस गार्डनर ने बहुत तकलीफ से, बहुत निगरानी में अपने पौधे को सींचा था, उसने देखा that the plant has been uprooted. वो पौधा गिर गया है. और जिस माली ने उसको थोड़ा सा खाद दिया, थोड़ा सा फर्टिलाइजर, थोड़ा पानी, थोड़ी सी उसकी केयर ली, उसने देखा कि उसका पौधा अभी तक मजबूती से खड़ा है. द रीजन इज वॉट, उसने उस पौधे को अपने आप खड़े होना सिखाया है. ये हमारी माओं का काम है, मैं भी हूं उसमें, हमारी माओं का काम. बच्चों को वो सब सिखाओ जो घर छोड़ के जाएं, then he can be or she can be independent. Don't differentiate between he or she can be independent. That is the first thing. अगर आप उनको independent रहना सिखाएंगे, उनके abilities, उनका हुनर, उनके talents, everything will come out. The personality can be developed in a better way. और ये भी कहाँ से शुरू होता है? इन नन्हे पौधों से. This is the best time. उनको उनके mindset को train करो. This is the time where the role of mother is also important. The role of teachers is also important. The mothers, they play a very important role. When I include myself in mothers. I include myself in teachers. So mothers are teachers and teachers are mothers. So big round of applause to all of us, because we are important to the society. And when you have that tendency in your mind, you will try to give the best to your society. That is what is needed. I really appreciate the task taken up by young teachers, Tarhim, Riha, Neha, and Sidra, and some more of my students who have come up. Just 6 teachers. How many teachers? 7 teachers. Just 7 teachers, 80 students. 7 teachers and 80 students. It is very difficult task. एक बच्चे को घर में संभाल सकते हैं हम? भगा देते हैं, 3-4 घंटे स्कूल जाने दो, जरा आराम कर लेंगे, घर का काम कर लेंगे. So really, I appreciate your task. I appreciate your efforts, and I want all the mothers cooperate with them. Feedback दो. जो गलत हो रहा है, of course you have to tell in a very polite way. जो अच्छा हो रहा है, appreciate them, so that we can get some more teachers in our society, and definitely these teachers will be my students. All the best to the school, all the best and do well. Thank you.